Hello students, welcome to new videos of the revision video of chapter 5 arithmetic progression. So some question is sending from your side, so explain some questions on this video. The first question, finding the negative terms. Question is 121, 117, 113 dash find first negative term. So find first negative term. So let an is the first negative term. If an is first negative term, so it is less than 0, because negative value is always less than 0. And for this AP, A is equal to 121, D is equal to 117 minus 121 minus 4. You can put here and find the which terms are negative. A plus n minus 1 into D is less than 0. So 121 plus n minus 1 into minus 4 less than 0. 121 plus minus 4n plus 4 less than 0. 125 is less than 4n. Send to both side. So n is greater than 125.4. 4 3 12. 4 1 4. When the value of n is greater than 31 whole 1 upon 4, means n is equal to 32. Because n is always a natural number, so that is 32. So first negative term, that is 32th term. And what's the value? A plus 31D. If the question won't find the terms, so you can hear 121. So minus 3 is the first negative term of this given AP. Then see the next question. Pause, will note down. Question is root 2, root 18, root 50, root 98 dash find 18th term. So we can simplify them to get, if it is by root 18, that is 2 into 3 into 3. So 3 is pair form, so 3 root 2. Same for root 50, 5 root 2, root 98, 7 root 2, dash. See, simplify them. You getting the value of A is root 2, and the value of D 3 root 2 minus root 2, that is 2 root 2. When you get the value of A and D, you can find the 18th term, A plus 17D. Root 2 plus 17 into 2 root 2. So root 2 plus 34 root 2. So 35 root 2 is the 18th term. But you can't stop here, because the value is in roots form, pure surds form. It's some mixed surds. You can convert into mixed surds to pure surds. Root 2, 35, move inside the square root. So it is square form. So 2 into 35 and 35. One, 2, 2, 5. Multiply them, so you get 2450 in square root answer. This is the 18th term. Okay, I hope so you understand. It's a very small question. Pause, we note down. Question is, 10th term of the AP is 52. 10th term of the AP is 52. Listen the question, I have not read the question. 10th term of the AP is 52 and the 17th term is 20 more than, means plus, its 13th term. Means 10th term is given, that is 52, and 17th term is 20 more than its 13th term. Find the AP. So from first, let first term A, common difference D. So A10 52, A plus 9D 52. A17, A13 plus 20. So A plus 16D, A plus 12D plus 20. A cancel. 16D minus 12D is equal to 20. So 4D is equal to 20. D is equal to 5. Put this value from here to in equation first. A plus 9D equal to 52. A plus 9 into 5 equal to 52. A is equal to 52 minus 45. A is equal to 7. So AP, we want to find AP. A1, A2, A3. At least find 3 term. 7, 7 plus 5, 12. 7 plus 2 into 5, 17. So AP, you get 7, 12, 17 dash dash dash. Okay. So pause, we note down. If pth term is Q and qth term is P, then so that P plus qth term 0. So solution for this, let first term A, common difference D. It's a universal line for all types of question where the AP is not given, so you can write. So pth term means AP is equal to A plus P minus 1 into D is equal to Q. First, qth term A plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to P. Second, subtract them, cancel. Q minus P same. Here D outside, P minus 1 same, but bar in the bracket outside minus sign, so change the bracket sign. Minus Q plus 1, 1 cancel. P minus Q, D, so minus sign taken common, so it's this reversed. P minus Q, Q plus 2 minus, P minus 2 plus. So P minus Q cancel. That's why we take the minus common, because P minus Q is cancelled. So we get the value of D. Then put in first. So A plus P minus 1 minus 1 is equal to Q. So A is equal to Q. This is minus. Send opposite side. This is plus. This is value of A. Then we want to find P plus qth term. So A plus n minus 1 into D. Only put the values. A value is Q plus P minus 1. value of A. This is same as value of D. Open both bracket. There is no plus sign, so no change. Minus sign, so all signs change. 1 cancel, P cancel, Q cancel, that is 0. That's approved. So that is P plus Qth term is 0. Then see next question. Question is, fourth term is 0, so prove that 25th term is triple of 11th term. So easy question. Let first term A common difference D. So according to question, fourth term is 0. So A plus 3D 0. A is equal to minus 3D. You can find the value of A or D according to your conditions. According to your relaxation, we find the value of A. Then the relation between the 25th term and the 11th term. So for the relation, we divide them. Value of 25th term, A plus 24D, A plus 10D. Put it, A plus 24, value of A is minus 3D plus 24D. This same as minus 3D plus 10D. This same 21D upon 7D. D cancel 3. So A25 opposite side. So 3 into A11. 21st term is triple of its 11th term. I hope so you see, without any types of conditions used and types of problems, we can find and prove them for the basic question. Let's see the next question. Question. The sum of 700 is to be used. Give 7 cash prizes of student school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is 20 rupees less than the preceding price, the value of each prize. Means total amount 700 rupees and distributed with 7 cash prize. 7 cash prize. Each price 20 rupees less than 2 preceding price. Means let first price X in a normal basic question, basic condition, X plus 20, preceding means minus, third price X minus 40, fourth price X minus 60, fifth X minus 80, sixth x minus 100, 7 x minus 120. So according to question, x plus x minus 20 plus x minus 40 plus x minus 60 plus x minus 80 plus x minus 100 plus x minus 120, they all cash prices are equal to 700. Solve them. 7x 20 minus 60 minus 60 minus 120 minus 200 minus 300 minus 420 700. 7x 700 plus 420, x is equal to 1120 upon 7. 7 on the 7 is 42, 0. Means first x is equal to 160. So we can use here. Okay, we can write here. First price 160. Second 160 minus 120 means 20 less. Third 120. Fourth 100. Fifth 80. Sixth 60. And seventh price, that is 40 rupees. They all are the cash price for the all 7 students. Pause video, note down. Let's see the next question. Divide 32 into 4 part such that product of first and fourth is to the product of second and third is equal to 7:15. So find all 4 parts. Means 32 divided into 4 parts, which have to inform product of first, fourth and the product of second, third ratio to be 7:15. Here the common difference is not given. So we explained in the previous videos that we have to use the special condition. Let 4 terms to be a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. This is the 4 terms in AP. Okay, special condition. Here the common difference is 2d. So according to question, first and fourth and second and third product is ratio is 7/15. Using identity a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. Same here, a square minus b square, cross multiply. 15a square minus 135d square, 7a square minus 7d square, 15a square minus 7a square minus 7d square plus 135d square. So that's 8a square, 128d square, 8 ones are 8, 8 is a 48. So a is equal to plus minus 4d. That's first condition. The second for this, these all sum 32, 3D cancel, D cancel, 4A 32, A is equal to 8. Put here 8 is equal to plus minus 4D, so D is equal to plus minus 2. A 8 and D plus minus 4, so put here this. A8 D2, A8 D minus 2. So we take 8 minus 6, 2, 6, 10, 14. When here minus D, so 14, 10, 6 and 2. Both answer are possible for this. So you have to write the both answer. Don't be write only one or two answer. Pause, we note down. So the question is find the middle term of 3-digit number which leaves remainder 3 by divided by 4. So the largest number that is 999, but when divided by 999, 4 to the 8, 4 4 16, 4 9 36. It gives remainder 3. Means this number is okay. That is the L, smallest number for the given condition. Okay, smallest number what is 100. So 100 divided by 4, 4 to the 8, 4 4 is 6, 4 5 20. It's not giving the remainder 3, so we increase them. When we take 101, so remainder 1, 103, remainder 3. So smallest number is 103. That's the first number. So your AP which divided by 4 gives remainder 3, that is 103. 107 dash 999. A 103, D 107 minus 103. Because divided by 4, so common difference is always 4. So L is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. 999, 103, N minus 1 into D. 999 minus 103, 4 minus 4, that is plus 4, 6, 9, 8, 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8, 4 5 20. So 225 terms are in this. 225 terms are the 3-digit number which are divided by 4 which leaves remainder 3. Then middle term 225 by plus 1 by 2th term, 226 plus by 2, 113. 13th term is the middle term. So what's the value? A plus 112, D 103 plus 112 into 4, 4 4 8 11 5 5. 551 is the middlemost term of this AP. Means you can say that 103, 107, 551, 995 and 999. So number of here and number of here terms, that's a 112 terms, 112 terms. You can find the sum of all these terms. The question 1, but sum is removed, so we can't explain. Question 1, find the sum of this AP and this AP also. Next term is 555, 559, dash dash dash. So you can find the sum of these two terms by taking the n is equal to 112. Pause, we note down.